harvesting can mean a long day in the field. So it is all the more important to make your work with the loader wagon as smooth and enjoyable as possible. The practical automatic solutions on the Jumbo go a long way to helping you achieve this. When the harvesting day begins with sharpened knives, it may be advisable to sharpen the loader wagon's knives after only 2 to 4 hours. With AutoCut, you always have a fully automated knife sharpening system at your fingertips. This guarantees you perfect chopping quality for as long as the working day lasts. When evening comes, there is no need to remove the knives to sharpen them. AutoCut saves you an enormous amount of time. Easy Move lets you change or turn the knives simply and safely outside the loader wagon. It allows you to carry out servicing and inspection ergonomically. Thanks to this comfortable way of working, knives are checked more often and the loader wagon is always in peak operating condition. Numerous automated functions support you in every operating situation. The pickup position control, a pickup speed control, automatic transport and loading position, loading torque measurement, the intelligent front panel with loading and unloading strategies, the automatic unloading system, and many other functions all make life more convenient for you so that you, the driver, are always relaxed and at the peak of your powers. The newly designed loading chamber cover quickly covers the load and secures it ready for transport on the road. The lights on the Jumbo have all been switched to LED, ensuring that the lamps have a long service life. This saves money and reduces maintenance. The powerful illumination provided by LED lights means you have light where you really need it. During the development of the third Jumbo generation, the topic of maintenance was very much in the spotlight. Number of gearboxes on board has been halved. The front sprockets run on sealed bearings. The rear scraper floorshaft bearings are fitted with a central greasing point to one side. Service life at specific wear points, such as the pickup tines, the loading rotor, the knife steel quality, the rear panel and the scraper floor has been increased considerably. For optimum maintenance and service access, the pickup with a rigid jockey wheel can be placed on and removed from a handling trolley, which is available as an option. More success with PÖTTINGER.